The Galaxy Z Fold series therefore occupies the very top spot in Samsung's product range. The S Ultra phones now have access to the most advanced capabilities, despite the fact that it does not. However, the most expensive phone they have to offer is from the Z Fold lineup. The newest piece of that will be the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So when I say it's the priciest phone the brand has to offer, you might assume Samsung would focus most of its resources on improving the Z Fold 5. But it appears that's not really the case. Today, OnLeaks unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 5's first image. You can be sure that this is the genuine thing since it is based on official CAD schematics that Samsung distributes to case manufacturers so they can create the cases before the launch. Additionally, it demonstrates that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will resemble its predecessor almost exactly. Literally everything in this picture is the same, including the cover screen, the inner screen, and the camera module. The thickness has now been greatly decreased as a result of a new sort of hinge design, which is the only alteration that OnLeaks cites. He also says that when the screens are folded, there is no space between them, which is consistent with the stories we have heard so far. Additionally, the crease is no longer noticeable. Another minor modification is that the camera's LED flash is now on the side rather than at the bottom. As the camera design also resembles the Z Fold 4, it appears that earlier rumors about the phone having individual camera lenses similar to the S23 Ultra are untrue. The only significant improvement we're getting this year is the new water drop style hinge that eliminates some of the shortcomings of the Z Fold lineup, but aside from that, everything else essentially stays the same. OnLeaks also mentions that the size of the bezels will be reduced this time, which is good, but that's about it for the Z Fold 5. The specifications for the camera, the battery, and the screen sizes will all stay the same. The design of Samsung's latest phones has to be changed, to be honest. Continually seeing the same design is getting a little boring. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.